We will create this front end for this e-commerce story. You have dark, you have light mode, and you can also add to cart, select colors and stuff. This is actually very easy to create, so let's go. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. I will put it next to each other so you can see how we build it. Now, I will just create inside of this folder one route 7 and then page tsx. Everything else you see here is for other tutorials. You just need one page or component here. So let's start by use client, and then let's do some imports from React. So we're gonna need this everything from Lucid React and these UI card and UI button components. So these are ShadCN components. So you first need to install them. Google ShadCN and select NextJS or React, whatever. So ShadCN installation, select NextJS, and then copy this, press yes to everything, and then you need to go and then find these components. So is it card? And so you go here, find card, and copy this here, and then do the same for other components, button and stuff that we have here. Okay, so let's do all of these imports. You're also gonna npm install React Hot Toast like this. And then we will create clothing store, make some space. Let's return something immediately, div, and make sure it's like this. We have dark mode, but this doesn't exist yet. If I save it, will show an error, I think. So let's make a toaster, and then let's make another header. Dark mode doesn't exist, okay. So let's make a header. This is gonna have all of these like pink colors and stuff. Then we will have another div. We will soon be able to see something here. Another div as well. Shopping bag. This is this is logo, and then this is the name. So let's do navigation. We're gonna have a button that says scroll to section. So this is navigation buttons. They will scroll to section that we click on. So let me maximize this for now. This is what it looks like. You can find all of this code in my GitHub, but make sure to go into app 7 page tsx, because in this GitHub you will have all of the code of all of the tutorials. So make sure to go to there. Okay, now let's go return to the top and create this product interface. ID, name, price, color, sizes, image, rating. Then let's let's make this products. So we're gonna have a first product ID, name, price, colors, sizes, image, rating. Make sure to download all of these images as well. So this summer polo, you can find all of this in public folder. So it's right here somewhere, summer polo. So you need these images. And then I'm gonna add a bunch of more products. You can copy this from my GitHub. Now let's do dark mode. We have dark mode, and let me check if immediately. Okay, now immediately this works. So now we have this. So let me put it here. Let's continue. We have current slide, set current slide, and we have cart. So the cart will be a dictionary. It will have a key to be a number, and then another number. I think this is just an item number, so we will save items by ID into this card. Feature ref, about ref, and contact ref. So these are sections that we will scroll to. Toggle dark mode. We have next slide. Just create these functions for now. Previous slide, add to cart, remove from cart, get total cart items, and scroll to section. This will receive a ref React ref object HTML element. Let me maximize so you can see better. So now I think there should be no issues, that we can continue coding our. So below this button we have another button for about. This will scroll to about. So let me show you. It will scroll to about, and we have another one to scroll to contact. So let's check. About, contact, everything. Below the contact we will go down, make a new div, put a search icon, and then div below, it's gonna have relative, shopping cart, and get total cart items. So if there is more than one cart item, we will put a little number to the top of the shopping cart. It's gonna be like yellow, so it shows the number of items. It's gonna have absolute positioning. Below everything, let's make sun icon, switch, so this is switching the dark mode, and moon. So if I go ahead and check what it looks like, you see what we have. It doesn't work yet, but we have all of these items. Let's go below and say main section, div, and then, so this is a bit more complex div. This is like a header. You're gonna put all of the images into this header. So if I save this, you see how we put images here. This is a bit difficult to see. So guys, tell me if you want it to be like this, side by side, or full page, full screen this one, and then full screen this one. Let's add some div inside of this div, and add another div, and then put title. You see what it looks like, but I think this is so hard to see that I'm gonna keep it like this. So this is the product name. We're gonna just have product's name here. Enter, elevate your style, sorry. And then we're gonna have this button, scroll to section. So this will just be like, it's gonna say explore now. Let me go here and see. You see what we have. Then we will add some buttons to the side to go left and right the slide, to change the slides. So this is gonna be here and here, you'll see. Next slide, previous slide. If I save it, we will be able to change these images, but we don't have that functionality yet. Go below section, featured collection, div, products map, so we will map products, card, ShadCN card, image, product.image, and then card content, title. Let me see what this looks like. I will show you better. This is what it looks like. This is what we have by now. So you can take a better look into this. And then we're gonna display product price and make another div. This is select trigger, and then this is the value for color. Let me just see what this looks like. You see how we have all of this. Now this doesn't work yet. Let's make another select content. This is let's map all of the colors, and so select item color. So now we can go ahead and choose different items to select. Let's go below and make another select. This is gonna be for size. Select value placeholder size, select content, map sizes, select item. This is gonna be to select, so let me see here. We will be able to select the size, standard in this case, but here we have XL, MS. Let's continue below, cart footer. So now this is gonna be the button add to cart. So if this item is in cart, then we will make a button. It's gonna, on click, it's gonna remove from cart, remove from cart. Or we're gonna make a button. It's gonna be on click, add to cart, add to cart. So right now this button doesn't work because we don't have the logic. None of these buttons work for now. Let's go below section, div. This is, I think, the contact, yeah, contact. So this is some paragraph, div, input. This is email input, and button subscribe. So let's go, let's see what we made. We made this, join our exclusive club. Okay, let's add a footer, div, and then all of this good stuff about our boutique. So let's see what we have here. Let's go, make sure to add this about ref so we can scroll to it. Another div below. This is quick links, and then list. So we're gonna have this. So this is list item and button inside. On click, we're gonna scroll at the top. This is home. Then we're gonna go one for products, that is shop. Then we're gonna have about and contact. So if I go here, if I click home, it's gonna scroll to the top. For shop, we'll scroll to nothing, it seems. We'll fix it. It should scroll to here. So let's continue. So now let's create this toggle dark mode. So we finished this. Let's create toggle dark mode. Dark mode is opposite dark, and then do this one, this command. And then this is set current slide, so this is going to the next slide, but it will, if it's longer than length, it will just go back to first slide, so it circles. Previous slide we will have opposite circling, so set current slide we will have opposite circling. And then add to cart, we're gonna get all of the previous cart and add this item. We're gonna assign the product ID as the key, and it's gonna have 1. So this is just how we save. Just this kind of some value 1 or something. And then toast success. Set cart. Previous. It's gonna do the same thing we're gonna do as in add to cart. So this will, we're gonna check if there is more than one product. Then we will just decrease of this ID. And then we will delete this product completely from the cart, and we will return new cart. So let me go ahead and check add to cart. Okay, dark mode, it works as well. Okay, and then toast success, remove from cart. Okay, so to get total items, we're gonna just use reduce. So reduce lets us sum up all of the, iterate through this cart and sum up all of the values. So count and sum. Start from 0. And then scroll to section. We're just gonna have this smooth behavior. Scroll to view, scroll into view. And I think this is it. Now my cart shows the items as well. Everything works. And also if I click about, it scrolls to shop, but about it's already scrolled here, so it doesn't scroll. That's why. If I click contact, it's gonna scroll up. And I think that's it. You can remove from cart. Thank you for watching. Let me just test this. Everything works. Find this code below. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Thank you for watching.